It's like beyond my, my husband's the county manager, so he's not gonna be real happy about this.
Was he at the restaurant with you?
I don't know.
Right now, I'll go over like this. Stay like that for me.
So where did you guys
Find you?
find me?
Vista between Wingfield Hills Parkway, Wingfield Hills Road. There's like a windmill out there.
Yeah.
Your car got disabled right in the middle there. And then you hit a street sign. I think it was closer to, I don't remember what that street name is. But further south.
So my car's okay though?
Yes. One tire's flattened and you got some pretty bad front damage.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Doesn't look totaled.
Thank you for that.
That's all cosmetic stuff that can be easily fixed. And you're okay, nobody else got hurt.